Ghosh from Urban Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. So this video, I'm going to showcase a few handcrafted sarees on handloom. I mean, there are beautiful ones. There is a white also in this kantha. Usme इधर एक white भी है. So the first one I start in this is this kind of sarees, Dhania Khali handloom cotton sarees, which is see the beautiful hand embroidery like this. So these are the sarees which has a lot of embellishment and the small working. So the whole sari has this sari is in red and black kind of a combination, red and black. The upper part, these are typically very satin bordered dhania khali. So it has red lower border, black upper border, and this kind of a patchwork sari with kantha work. A little bit of, I would not say kantha, but yeah, running stitches. So these are, this is the palla. This is the palla. Very beautiful palla. Very nice soft cottons and with complete a touch of the loom. So completely hand loom. So this is the whole sari, and your lower border will have this kind of applique work running through, and small this small embellishments. These are not mirrors, these are those mirror look-alike. So these are done, but these are all put by hand embroidery. Not, there is no machine to it, all by hand, hand, all. So this is like a little bit of shimmer in the whole body. So this is the blouse piece of this sari. This is the blouse piece of this sari. The blouse piece has lovely, work, lovely work, jacket style at the back, and on the sleeves this kind of work comes. So when you teamed up the sari and the blouse, so this comes extremely beautiful and very artistic, very artistic. So this sari and the blouse is 4850. This sari and the blouse is for 4850. A Mangalgiri cotton sari with Sindhi embroidery. A Mangalgiri cotton sari with Sindhi embroidery. Beautiful selvage in silver border. And so that's the sari. That is the beautiful, pallu. That's the beautiful palla of the sari. So this is the whole palla. Extremely nice and very, very artistic, a touch of handcraft on this lovely yellowish beige kind of a color. This is a very nice yellow beige kind of a color. Yeah, so this is the exact color. This is the exact color of the sari, and the whole sari has this kind of motifs all over. So whole sari has this kind of motifs all over, all handcrafted motifs. And these takes a lot of time. One of these kind of saris get about 15-20 days of workmanship. So this kind of border. So I have given a khand fabric blouse piece. Khand fabric, this khand blouse pieces are so majestic ones that they go, and the color combination, they brighten up any of the saris so well. So this is the combination, sari and the blouse. I 3900. Quickly pick up if anybody is interested. So these are all almost in throwaway prices. 3900. Puneri cotton sari, a beautiful Puneri cotton sari in a self check weave. Soft and nice, lovely soft and nice. Another Sindhi embroidery. Yeah, so that's the palla. The palla is like this. See, beautiful palla and color combination. This is a Narayanpet border. The Puneri sarees have a very speciality of Narayanpet border and this kind of weaving all along the border. The whole body has small buttas, small multicolored buttas, and see the check, see the woven check. So the sari actually looks peachish. The sari looks peach color, and see the blouse which is going so well with the sari. I have given a plain blouse piece. If you want any other, matching ones with this, so we can provide with an extra cost. So this is the sari, and the whole sari has equidistant of this handcrafted motifs, embellished the whole sari. So this is the complete sari pattern, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, plain orange, rust orange blouse piece. This is in viscose by cotton fiber, viscose by cotton. So this kind of blouse pieces with this. So the price of this sari is 4450, 4450, 4500, 4450. A Bengal cotton with गंगा जमुना बॉर्डर, ऊपर नीचे आई थिंक ऊपर ब्लैक है और नीचे रेड कलर बॉर्डर है. बहुत सुंदर है साड़ी, बहुत ही सुंदर एंड बहुत ही यूनिक है. वेरी नाइस कॉटन, लवली सॉफ्ट कॉटन. और ऐसा एक इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन असम वोवन काइंड ऑफ अ बॉर्डर, असम वीव काइंड ऑफ अ बॉर्डर इन जकार्ड. And that's a handcrafted palla. That's a handcrafted palla. People call it lambani, but this is not lambani. This is completely a fusion embroidery which has been done in Calcutta. Absolutely beautiful one. And so these are the motifs, these are the body motifs. And see, this is also embroidered. This motif is also embroidered. See how beautifully these motifs, they are just looking like weaves. They are just looking like weaves. So the whole body has this vertical lines intermittently, these vertical lines coming intermittently, and so like this. So this is the pleats. So this is the pleat part, and so that's the combination. Very nice and majestic combination. So I've given a nice orange kind of a blouse piece which can pep up the sari very well with this Sindhi embroidery. So that's the sleeves work, and the back of the blouse has this kind of again the border. So this basically matches the color combination. The color combination of the blouse piece matches this thread, the thread in the pallu. So it's kind of a bright and nice combination, very bright and nice combination, and looks elegant. So the sari cost of the sari is 5200, 5200, 5200. Another Puneri cotton with a what would I say? It's a mehendi. After the mehendi dries up on your hand, that color. This is the after the impression comes on your hand, exactly that shade. Exactly, very pretty and very nice shade, very pretty, very nice shade. So that's the palla, that is the palla. Beautiful work, lovely work. And this is, see, this is a Narayanpet border sari, lovely cotton. And the work is given on the pleats. So that pleat part, 2 meters of this pleats has this work. The front is plain, and 2 meters of the pleats has this work like this. Beautiful one. And the color combination is also so nice. See, again, the sari is going so well with my blouse. And so this blouse piece has been given. I have given this blouse piece with the sari, teaming up this blouse piece with the sari. So this is also with very intricate Sindhi embroidery work. So the work is on the sleeves and back and sleeves. So this is the combination. Lovely sari. And the price is 4500, 4500. Another very rich sari in, it's not Mangalgiri, it's a Bengal handloom cotton. Looks like Mangalgiri. It's not Mangalgiri, it's a Bengal handloom cotton. Looks like Mangalgiri. So it's a maroon color, rich maroon color. I don't know what kind of color you can see here. This is dark maroon. I mean that dry up blood kind of a color, the dry up blood color. So this is another fusion handwork with this kind of a palla. Very nice palla, very nice palla. So this is the body, this is the whole body. There are multiple hand done work, and the pleats have this intermittent, these flowers. Again, there is a gap, this intermittent things. And I mean, this kind of a whole concept, nice. It's a very nice sari. And very soft and very for the summer, very very ideal for draping in, very ideal for a summer party or somewhere. So this is the concept. And the blouse also, this sari has a blouse piece running like this. So there are work on the sleeves, there are this kind of work on the sleeves. So this sari has a running blouse piece, okay, and there are work like that on the sleeves. So this is for 5200. 5200. See, beautiful work and lovely color. The color is majestic. uh, this sari is a Madurai cotton, lovely Madurai cotton sari, rich purple blue kind of a shade dye, but Madurai cotton which is hand dyed with magenta color, magenta color border, magenta pink color border, and a navy blue kind color body, navy blue kind of a color body. So this is like this, very pretty. I have just given a beautiful Lambani work embellishment, and this is actually Lambani. I have given a Lambani work embellishment on the palla, and on the body there are these tie dye buttas, as well as this kind of hand embellished mica. I mean, these are those the glass resembling mica with this. So there is no BP with this sari. The sari doesn't have a BP, but it can be teamed up. Something can be teamed up. So this is the very smart one, extremely smart and extremely attractive. See, very nice. This has been done pretty recently. So 3500, 3500, and any colored blouse you can wear with this, any kind of blouse. So 3500, absolutely handloom Madurai cotton. See the border is also very pretty. Say silk by cotton, Tasar by cotton, peach pink color, Tasar by cotton sari in Sindhi embroidery, Tasar by cotton sari in Sindhi embroidery, soft and nice, very elegant, and very beautifully embellished. Actually, the embellishment is very nice, lovely one, and with nice green, white and black kind of thread color combination. And the whole body has the star like buttas motifs all over, and that's the border, the upper border, the lower border, and the whole star like embroidery. So it's a lot of work actually. These all the saris have lot of work to do, lot of work. I mean, it is not one day affair, it's not a day's affair, it's not even a month's affair. I mean, all these women, they day in and day out, they do their home chores, finishes that, then take care of many of the other things. Maybe some women go for the agricultural help, and then they do it. So these are very very in labor intense work. These are all very labor intense work. This is the blouse piece. The work is on the sleeves, one sleeve, and there are two sides of two sleeves. The work is on both sleeves, and yeah. So this is the other sleeve. So the price of the sari is 5800, 5800. Extremely beautiful. Uh, uh, Lovely Bengal cotton, purple color, rich purple color, almost a brinjal color, a little less than the brinjal color, little less than the brinjal shade. I mean, one tone down than the brinjal shade. It's beautiful, almost a double palla work, almost a double palla work. See the work. See, this is the work. This is the work. This is the work for the sari. Lovely work, lovely work. And the whole sari also has a nice gold selvage with this kind of work, this kind of embroidery, see the whole sari. And this is the lower border, this is the upper border, and the whole sari has this kind of small motifs embellished all over. So that's the back, where the pleat portion comes. This is the pleat portion of the sari. So these kind of multicolored motifs come up. and very nice cotton, very nice cotton. The blouse is this. The blouse is from running. So this part will come on your sleeves. This part, two of the sleeves have this embroidery done. Sari is priced at 5400. 5400. See, 5400. Tasar by cotton with kantha. Tasar by cotton with kantha. Nice, happy sari, happy looking sari. So this has, and also there are, painting in it. Not only there is kantha, but there is this hand painting also. So there is a component of hand painting in kantha on lovely tasar by cotton. So that part, the palla is full kantha. The palla is full kantha embroidery. The pallu is full kantha embroidery, as you can see. It's beautiful, lovely. And the front part of the sari, has this hand painting. So the hand painting and kantha looks. So this is the hand painted part. So the front is like this. The whole front is like this, and this is the pleat portion where this the painting has gone tangentially. The painting has gone like this. It has gone a little oblique. This has gone tangentially oblique. So the pleats will have this kind of a look. The pleats will have this kind of a look. So this is the pleat part. This is the pleat part, and that's the front of the sari. Lovely one, very nice and very light and very beautiful. So this part is the blouse. So the blouse piece has so this part is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has plain back with this kind of embellishment on the sleeves. So you can make sleeves from this side, cutting into half, or you can make a back like this. I mean, you can make a straight back like this, a long tall back with plain sleeves with some kind of piping. So this sari has this concept. It is a full kantha with hand painting. The whole sari has kantha and hand painting embellishment. See, this is the whole sari. Am I very clear with how the sari looks? So that's the back of the sari. And the price of this sari is 5450. So this is for 5450. And if I show you the tussar component, the tussar yarn warp, the tussar, if you can see the shiny stuff, so that's tussar by cotton. इसको करना होगा एकदम creased hanger से. Oh, this is the last one in this video where it is a cotton. It's a nice cotton, again in the same concept. So again kantha and painting, the hand painting and kantha. So these two are very pretty saris. So this part, the pallu comes like this. The palla comes like this, which is in kantha. It's a village kantha. I mean, complete rural work, complete rural depiction, village depiction. See, beautiful rural depiction, and this has been dyed also. So it's a pure handloom cotton which has been dyed into colors. This is the lavender body with a maroon palla, and so this is the body. This is the body where the hand painted body. So see the hand painting, if I show you close. So these are the fish motifs which are running across like this, and the back of the sari has this. So this comes within the pleats. So this area is the pleat. This area comes in the pleats, and the whole border is the whole border has this kind of embroidery done. Lovely embroidery, and a very unique form of embroidery. The whole border of the sari, upper and lower border of the sari, has this lovely embroidery, and this is the pleats, the pallu. And I don't know whether the blouse is there or not. No, this sari doesn't have a blouse piece, so I have given a khand fabric blouse piece with the sari. This sari doesn't have a running blouse piece, so I have given a khand fabric blouse along with this. So this is the blouse piece I have teamed up. It's a rich bottle rama green kind of a color. So it goes very well with the sari. It's going very well with the the painting, the body painting also. It's going with the body painting also, if you can see. Yeah. So this is the blouse piece. The painting and the blouse go so well together. So that's the one. 5400. 5400. Beautiful sari. Thank you so much.